If you're thinking about canceling your ClickUp subscription or simply want to know how to revert your paid account back to the free version, this quick guide is just for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to switch your ClickUp account back to free, saving you money and letting you stay organized without any pressure. Let's get right to it and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to access your personal settings in ClickUp. To do that, look for your profile icon, usually located in the bottom left or top corner of your dashboard. Click on it to open your user menu. From here, choose Settings. This is where you can manage all your account details, so it's good to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. Once you're in your settings, look for the option labeled Upgrade. Now, I know what you're thinking. The word upgrade probably makes you expect to see only options for upgrading to bigger, pricier plans. But here, the trick. This is actually the same area where you'll find the downgrade button when you need to cancel your subscription. The upgrade section isn't just for upgrading, it's basically your hub for managing your paid plan, whether you want to go higher or lower. So click on Upgrade, and you'll see all the available plans you can choose to move your account to, such as Unlimited, Business, or Enterprise. Right now, if your account is still on the free version, you won't see the downgrade button just yet. That's because you don't have a paid subscription to cancel, but let's imagine you've already upgraded your account to one of those paid plans. As soon as your account is on a paid plan, returning to the Upgrade section will show the downgrade button. This might be a little confusing, especially since most platforms would have something like a big red cancel subscription label, but ClickUp keeps things streamlined in one place. Now, when you do see the downgrade button, clicking it will initiate the process to revert your account back to the free version. You might be asked to confirm your decision, and there could be a few gentle reminders about losing access to certain paid features. Take your time here and double-check whether you really want to make the switch. If you rely on any advanced features for your work or your team, it's a good moment to consider if the free plan will cover everything you need. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm. Give it a moment while ClickUp processes the change. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds. The platform is just updating your account settings and making sure you keep all your basic data and projects. Once it's done, you'll be on the free version of ClickUp. You're still able to manage tasks, lists, and most project organization basics. It's just that some premium tools will be locked unless you decide to upgrade again in the future. And there you have it, a quick and clear way to cancel your ClickUp subscription and revert your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments, whether about ClickUp features, subscriptions, or anything else you're curious about. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.